Good morning, students. Today we are doing the module 4 of a chapter, Factors of Production, Capital and Entrepreneur. Students, in capital portion, we have already discussed the meaning of capital, types of capital. Okay, we have discussed the features of capital, and we have discussed the meaning of capital formation. In the last module, we have discussed the meaning and the process of capital formation. The factors affecting capital formation, as per the reduced syllabus, it is not there this year. Okay, the factors affecting capital formation point is not there in the syllabus of the year 2020-21. Okay, so we will straight away move to the next portion, that is meaning of the entrepreneur and the role of entrepreneur in economic development. Okay, so the next topic we have to do is what is an entrepreneur, the meaning of an entrepreneur, and what is the role of an entrepreneur in economic development. An entrepreneur is one who organizes the production activity, who takes the important decisions regarding the production. He hires the factors of production like land, capital and labor, and he bears the ultimate risk and uncertainty related to the production process. An entrepreneur is the real risk bearer. Now, see, a simple concept. Suppose in a production activity, land is there. Okay, land is already there. The labor is already present over there, and even the machines or the capital is there. But till a person is coming and organizing all the activities, an entrepreneur is one who cooperates with all the three: land, labor, and capital. An entrepreneur is one who coordinates the activities of land, labor, and capital, and then only the process of production is possible. Okay. So, who is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is one who organizes the production. How does he organize the production? He brings the land, labor, and capital together to start the production process. Okay, so an entrepreneur is one who organizes the activity of production. He takes the important decisions regarding the production. He is the one who hires, or he is the one who employs the land. He buys the land, he employs the labor, he selects which all labor will be there, and he is the one who buys the machine. Okay, so he hires the factors of production like land, labor, and capital, and he is the real risk bearer. In the process of production, if anything goes wrong, okay, if anything goes wrong, like now is the time, uncertain times of pandemic, so many entrepreneurs are bearing the risk and uncertainty that is involved in this situation. Okay, so whatever may happen, a product may fail. Okay, if a production is going on, a production may stop due to some natural calamity or due to some other reasons. So who will bear all the risk and uncertainty of the business? The entrepreneur is the one who will bear the risk and uncertainty of the business, of the production. If anything goes wrong, production stops, the product fails, product ठीक नहीं है, okay, or due to some pandemic situation like presently it is happening, the production activity stopped due to the lockdown. So who will bear the risk and uncertainty? The entrepreneur is the one who will bear the risk and uncertainty. One more very important feature of an entrepreneur is an entrepreneur gets residual income. Okay, what is the meaning of this residual income? Residual income means whatever is left after paying all the factors of production. Whatever factor of production the entrepreneur has employed, he has hired, first the entrepreneur will pay them the income or the remuneration or the return. After paying them their salary, wages, okay, rent, what is left of the the income, that he will take, okay, in the form of profit. So an entrepreneur gets residual income. Let me explain it to you. Factors of production and their remuneration. Okay, this is the factor of production, this is the remuneration. land gets rent in return. Okay, the person who will give the land, they will get rent in return. Labor will get wages, capital will get interest, and entrepreneur gets profit. Okay, land gets rent, labor will get wages, capital will get interest, and entrepreneur will get profit. Now, an entrepreneur will first pay the rent on the land. Okay, the entrepreneur will first pay the rent on the land, then he will pay the wages or salary to the labor. You know the basic difference between wages and salary? Salary is given on a monthly basis or a yearly basis, and wages are something that is given on a daily basis. Okay, wages is given on a daily basis and salary is given on a monthly, quarterly or yearly basis. Okay, so labor will get wages. He will the entrepreneur will pay wages to the labor. Then he will pay the interest on capital, whatever money he has borrowed or whatever machines are there, he will pay the interest on capital. After paying all these, okay, after paying the rent on land, after paying the wages, after paying the interest on capital, if anything is left out of the income, residual income, if anything is left out of the income, he will take the profit. Okay, that profit he will take. And at times he has to even pay out of his own pockets. So at that time, entrepreneur will be bearing the loss. Okay, he is the real risk bearer. An entrepreneur is the real risk bearer. So in case utne paise nahi hai, they don't have that much money, they will have to pay out of their own pockets, and even they can go in losses. The entrepreneur can go in losses for paying amount to these three factors of production. So ultimately an entrepreneur is the real risk bearer. He will get the residual income in form of profit, and sometimes he also have to bear the loss with the process of production, the loss involved in the process of production. Thank you, students. That's all for today for the meaning of an entrepreneur.